Hello everyone, I'm Alex. As an iconic man, you need to know all about the latest and the coolest gadgets out there before you come across them. The creativity, innovative design, and cool factor that they bring to the table can inspire you to find solutions to any problem. Now, you already have a smartphone with you whenever you leave the house, or whenever you are inside the house, or whenever you're using the restroom, or pretty much wherever you are, you have your smartphone with you. But that's not to say that there couldn't be a few more conveniences. Because just like there is an app for everything, there are also gadgets for every struggle throughout your day. They will support you, inspire you, and put a smile on your face when you need it the most. The first gadget is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. One of the quintessential gadgets any man should have is a drone, because they're practical and fun, and they take taking pictures and videos to a whole new level. And the thing is, a successful man will always choose a successful drone. DJI brings you the best drone technology has to offer outside going full pro. The Mavic 2 Pro is a quadcopter that offers iconic Hasselblad image quality. The flight and camera stabilization is almost perfect, and the aerial photography and video are simply stunning. And they should be, as this is a definite improvement on the last model that was also a big success for the company. Number 2, Apple Earpods. They will work with any outfits and you will be the talk of the office. They are the top versatile choice for a successful man when it comes to audio delivery on the go. The AirPods Pro promise a more immersive sound experience than the AirPods 2 and the old AirPods. They feature adaptive EQ, which automatically tunes the low and mid frequencies of the music to the shape of an individual's ear. A custom high dynamic range amplifier is on board too, and there is a custom speaker driver designed to optimize audio quality and remove background noise. Be among the first to own Apple's latest headsets and you will know why successful men prefer AirPods. The next gadget is from Philips, and it's the Norelco one-blade hybrid electric trimmer. This is the #1 utilitarian gadget for all successful men, and it does tick all the boxes. It is creative, it has cutting-edge craftsmanship, and it is a game changer. It doesn't matter what kind of facial hair you sport on a regular basis. The Philips Norelco One Blade has a revolutionary new technology designed for facial styling and body grooming. It can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Finally, the one gadget that can reconcile the bearded and clean-shaped sides of your personality. The One Blade delivers on what it promises, and it is truly the first real electric trimmer that can operate in all conditions and with all types of facial hair. Now we're talking beer. The Beer Droid fully automated beer brewing system. Homemade beer, a domain that seemed reserved for backpackers that want to settle down and open a business in Nepal, and that has connoisseurs going wild with imaginations about experimenting with the next recipe. But what if I told you that there is now a gadget that allows men to brew their beer at home? What would you say about that? Even if you don't like craft beer, this would be a great thing to have around for the talk alone. Imagine you have your beer espresso that manages to do what other people learn to do in years, and you get to say Beer Droid. It is one of the coolest thing a creative, successful man can have around the house. The Beer Droid is the world's first fully automated personal brewer. You can brew 2.6 gallons of premium quality beer with the push of a button. It features a patented end-of-fermentation technology that will automatically detect when your brew is complete and ready. Now all you need to do is ready your keg and prepare your man layer for this awesome gizmo. Our next gadget is Tivoli Andiamo. Tivoli Andiamo is not what you're used to seeing when people mention Bluetooth speakers. This is a beautifully crafted lifestyle gadget made out of aluminum and finished with beautiful leather inserts. This Tivoli will find itself right at home in the office of any successful man as a subtle reminder that good sound and great design make for beautiful gadgets. Under that aluminum casework, you will find a 6.5 centimeters full range driver and a 7.7 centimeter passive driver to aid bass reproduction. The Andiamo uses 24-bit DSP equalization, and you can really feel that when you're listening to your favorite music streams. Our next gadget is the Apple TV 4K. Apple TV 4K, for active, successful men, regular TV is on its way out. The latest version of Apple TV, the one that comes with support for 4K resolution video, which has 4 times more pixels than a standard HD TV, which means sharper, crisper content from sources like Netflix, which produces all of its original shows in 4K. That means this solution is the right way to watch your favorite shows. It also supports high dynamic range, which means higher contrast video that brings the best out of your TV. Okay, now it might be a little bit expensive for a streaming box, but it comes with fantastic 4K HDR content, intuitive home screen, and simple iOS and Mac OS integration, which means it will be very easy to live with if you're already firmly into Apple territory when it comes to cross-device operating systems. Add to the fact that it has an awesome home screen and menu interface, and you can understand why this gadget is one of the coolest ones you can own. The last device is a Heuer connected Modular. Among the 7 coolest gadgets for successful men, there was bound to be a watch. And not just any watch, this model from Heuer is the best option for men that want to stand out in style. It will set you apart from the Apple Watch crowd and its cult followers, and it will put you on par with all but the ultra-expensive automatic watches. The important thing to know is that it works in conjunction with both Android and iPhone devices, which means that Heuer can be a companion regardless of what phone you use. It is one of the few smartwatches models a successful man can wear with pride. Not to mention that it will not feel for 1 second like any of its no-name competitors. This is a solid, superbly crafted watch that looks so good and is so useful, it makes you wonder why you would buy any other smartwatch. You can wear it with a suit or a casual outfit and it will be up to the task every day. There are a total of 7 models and 9 straps to choose from. And this smartwatch has another good thing going for it. It is genuinely easy and comfortable to wear because it looks and feels exactly like it should. Okay, so here's our list of gadgets that any successful man should have. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro, the Apple Earpods, Philips Norelco one-blade hybrid electric trimmer, the Beer Droid fully automated beer brewing system, Tivoli Andiamo, the Apple TV 4K, and finally the Heuer connected Modular. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you tomorrow.